Now, what about balanced scorecard approach as well? Yeah. So aligning investments with strategic objectives across finance, operation, customer value. Again, the example I did before about are you going to invest in acquiring new customer if you're not very good at acquiring a customer, or you're going to invest in a certain period of time in creating new revenue streams, or maybe it's doing some R&D because R&D is going to give you innovation regardless of which stage you're in, for example, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Now, the other thing I would really advocate a lot in many businesses, regardless of business stage, it's zero-based budgeting. Now, zero-based budgeting you don't hear too many discussion about zero-based budgeting, but zero-based budgeting has got so much merits because it really gives you that kind of discipline you need to really allocate capital in the right manner. You need to reassess all expenses, allocate capital based on current priorities rather than historical patterns. Because what we see most of the time is, okay, we've been spending money on this, we can't stop it, but it's not generating any returns, so you should stop it actually.
Mm-hmm.
So again, this is where the CFO should have sufficient personality as well sometimes to say, we should stop this because it's not generating a return, even if we committed money with the budget, but the reality is different.